Administration is reportedly considering putting SMIC on a trade blacklist, which would make it much more difficult for American companies such as Lam Research, KLA, Applied Materials to supply the Chinese chip giant. Now, more importantly for China, this would also potentially choke off China's efforts to become much more self-sufficient when it comes to chip technology. The company SMIC had planned to more than double its spending this year in order to try to make higher-end chips. This would be boosted by a $6.6 billion secondary listing, as well as other funding from state firms. And its shares managed to recover a bit today, but they were looking pretty bad yesterday, losing about a quarter of their value in Hong Kong. Now, China has described the U.S.'s approach, no surprise, as bullying, and for what it sees as the U.S.'s effort to try to label Chinese technology as national security risks to other countries. So today, the foreign minister had announced a new global set of standards which they said should be global on data security in an apparent countermove to the U.S. They include 8 different points, some of them addressing the U.S.'s concerns, such as not using technology to impair infrastructure or steal data, but also others which appear to toe the Chinese line, which is to respect laws of the host countries. Now, it wasn't only the government that was addressing these concerns about decoupling. Also, the private sector has been discussing it quite a bit. And again, today, there was a group of tech veterans that said that they are going to create a domestic replacement fund, which is going to be about $732 million in order to try to support some of these Chinese companies from the U.S. sanctions.